Yo, what's up everyone? My name's Dave and you suck at programming. And today, we're going to talk about substrings in Bash. Did you know this is actually built into Bash? In your shell, you can do this? Well, let's take a look. We have 4 scripts here, okay? We're going to start with the first one, 00, start from. So what's going on in this script? Well, we have a variable called message. We set it equal to hello world. And then we echo a couple things, message colon 0, message colon 1, message colon 2, etc. So what's that going to do? Well, let's take a look. If we run it, we get that. So let's look at our source code, let's look at the output, and we can see that this is a substring starting from character 0, so it's the entire string. This is a substring starting from character 1, so it just chops off the first character, chops off the second character, third character, etc. You can do colon, number, and that will be a substring starting from that character going indefinitely to the right. Well, what else do we have? Let's take a look. We have start from limit, so that is script is 0, 1. This is very much the same thing, but as you can see, there's a colon 5 at the end. This is new. So what does this colon 5 do? Well, this might actually be easier to just see it. So there you go. It prints the whole string starting from the beginning, but only prints the first 5 characters. So not the whole string, the first 5 characters. So now we start from the first character, or the second character, and we can see there's a space there, start from the third character. So this starts from whatever character we told to, but only ever prints 5. So as you can see, we started from character 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we only ever print 5 characters. Hey, that's kind of neat. What else can we do? Well, let's look at end. What you can do is you can specify a negative number, and this will cause it to read from the right to the left. So if we run this script, what's going to happen? It doesn't work. The script's broken. Why is the script broken? Well, there's something really interesting going on, and this might be something you've encountered if you started to learn parameter expansion in Bash. This doesn't interpret it as a -0, -1, -2. This is actually the colon hyphen syntax. So this says print the variable message, and if the variable message is unset or the empty string, print 0. Otherwise print 1, otherwise print 2. But because message is set, we just print message, what is it, 6 times? Yeah, so if we just run it, it just prints like this. An example of that would be like, let's say, foo equals hi. We can echo foo colon hyphen bye, and it will print hi. That's because we set foo. But if we unset foo and then we rerun that, we can see it prints bye. So it doesn't interpret it as a number, it just says colon hyphen. So how do we fix this? Well, real simple. Let's look at the last example. We have the exact same thing. We just put a space there. That's it. So the colon hyphen syntax is broken up. We have a colon, space, -0, -1, -2, -3. So what happens when we run this? It's gonna be a little bit weird, but bear with me here. You can see the first one where we specified -0. Well, that's the same as +0. It's just 0. So this is the entire string. It's a substring starting from the beginning. But then -1 would be the last character, the last 2 characters, the last 3 characters, the last 4 characters, etc. This might be common syntax you've seen in other programming languages. And there you go. There's substrings in Bash.